Hello everyone, this is Harsha AJ. So far, if you not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. So today I am with you to discuss about the next content, that is rank correlation and rank correlation coefficient. First, let us try to understand the definition. What is the definition of rank correlation coefficient? It is very simple. The coefficient of correlation in respect of the ranks of two characteristics of an individual or an observation is called rank correlation coefficient, and it is denoted by the term rho. This is the mathematical definition. In simple way, rank correlation means, suppose you assume there is a competition. There are 10 participants. I will call 2 judges. Suppose the first performer performed very well. Then the first judge say he may give 100 out of 100 marks. And second judge also, we can expect him give at least 90 to 95 marks. If he give more than 90 or 95, their rank correlation is good. We are just comparing the relation of these two judges. That means if their performance is good and they are giving good marks, the rank correlation is good. At the same time, if the performance is worst and these two judges are giving almost same marks, say 10 or 15 out of 100, their rank correlation is absolutely good. Sometimes reverse happens. If the performance is not so good, there is a possibility that the first judge may give very good marks. It may because of his mistakes or other mistakes, we don't know. At the same time, second judge may not give good marks. So that time, the rank correlation is not up to the mark. So that is the practical meaning of rank correlation. You just understand. Here variables are same. Here performers are same. How we are observing, that defines rank correlation. Okay. Now, how to find rank correlation coefficient? It is, there are only one formula, rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation x minus y whole square divided by n into n square minus 1. Very simple formula. Just for my convenience, I will take x minus y as d. So formula becomes 1 minus 6 times summation d square by n into n square minus 1, where d is x minus y. Therefore, throughout this topic, d represents x minus y. Now just observe this formula. If the ranking of two variable x and y are same, say x also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, its ranking. Y ranking also same, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what about d? D is x minus y, right? 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. When you take square also, answer is 0. So the second term entirely becomes 0. Therefore the value of rho is 1. In that case, we say that it is perfectly directly correlated to each other. Reverse also happens. What is the reverse? If the first ranking is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, second one say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, exactly opposite, right? In that case, summation d square is summation x minus y whole square. It is 1 minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus 4 whole square, so on. Answer is 40. Substitute in the main formula. What you get? Rho equal to 1 minus 6 into 40 divided by 5 into 5 square minus 1. You simplify, you get answer as minus 1. Then what we say? This is perfect inverse correlation. If it is plus 1, perfect correlation. If it is minus 1, then it is perfect inverse correlation. Okay, so try to remember these two observations. And last and very important thing is, although formula is only one for finding the rank correlation, there is a slight change. What is the change? Suppose in the value of x or in the value of y, if two or more magnitudes are repeated, that is very important. Say x takes 1, 3, 1, 4. See, 1 repeated twice. Or y also, it may be repeated twice or thrice. In that case, there is a slight change in the formula. Now what is the formula? Rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square plus m into m square minus 1 by 12 plus and so on divided by n into n square minus 1. Now what is the difference between last formula and this? Exactly same. Only differences in the second term I added m into m square minus 1 by 12 plus so on. What is that so on? Which means the term m into m square minus 1 by 12 we can write either twice or thrice or four times depending on the problem. Okay, that I will explain the problem. For time being, you don't worry, you just remember the formula. Again, how to find m, that also I will tell in the problem section. Okay, that is actually called correlation factor. Okay, so just remember these two formula. If it is not repeating, the main formula. If it is repeating, this one additional factor. So let us try to understand this concept with few simple example. First one, 10 competitors in a beauty contest, nice example, right, are ranked by two judges in the following order. So there are two judges, there are 10 participants. See, first judge, they have given first participant as first rank, second participant as sixth rank, and so on. See, second judge, see what happens, he gave first performer as sixth rank, correct, second performer as fourth rank. See, that is his taste, and once we call, we don't have any right, but anyway, we'll try to find the rank correlation for this. So what is the first observation I mentioned? It should not be repeated, right? If it is repeated, there is a change in the formula. So both first and second judges, since they are giving the ranks, it is not possible to repeat, right? All 1 to 10 numbers are there. So we have to find rank correlation. Write on the formula first. It is rho equal to 1 minus summation sigma d square by n into n square minus 1. And n is, there are number of pairs. Altogether we have 10 values for first and second. So n equal to 10. First you find summation d square. D means x minus y. So it is 1 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square, so on, 8 minus 7 whole square. Answer is 158. Substitute. So final answer is 0.042. So this is the answer for this problem. Now we'll go for one more example. It's quite interesting. What it says, 10 competitors in a music contest are ranked by 3 judges now, A, B and C, in the following order. Use the rank correlation coefficient to decide which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. It's quite interesting problem. What's the meaning? There is a competition, music competition. There are 10 competitors. They have 3 judges, right? A, B and C. So they have given the ranks. You just see, say judge A, for the first participant, they announced first rank. But the judge B, he gave third rank. C, he gave sixth rank. So altogether there are 10 participants. They have given 10 ranks. Now the question is, I want only 2 judge, not 3 judge. Either A, B, A, C or B, C. But they have common taste, right? If there are no common taste, means judgment will be not exactly similar, right? So better to choose a judges having the common taste. Now whom to choose is the question. Scientifically we have to choose, right? Simply we cannot tell A, B or B, C or C. For that we will use the concept called rank correlation. So what we'll do is, we'll find the rank correlation for AB, that's called rho AB, for BC, rho BC and rho C. Then depending on the answer, we'll decide, okay, which pair of judge we have to call. What is the formula? Same. All the values are different in each row. So formula is 1 minus 6 times summation d square by n into n square minus 1. As usual, write down first 3 column as A, B, C. That is for my understand sake how I prepared the table. And fourth column, we'll find d square of AB. AB means first and second. How to write? 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, square is 4. DBC square means B minus C whole square. B is 3, C 6. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9. C minus A. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 square is 25. Similarly, find all the values. Then in the formula we require summation. Find out the summation. Then find out the rank correlation for all 3 terms. First one, row AB. Same formula. Now in place of summation d square, you have to take 200. We'll get answer as minus 0.21. Second one, row BC. In place of d square, we have to take 214. Answer is minus 0.297. And CA, we get answer as plus 0.636. We got the answer. Now what is the conclusion? See, we want a suitable pair of judge. You see, row AB, first judge and second judge. What is the answer? You get negative answer, right? What's the meaning? Their taste is not same. BC, there also get answer as negative. Again, what is the meaning? Their taste is opposite. But you go for CA. What is the answer? 0.636, which means it is better to choose C, judge C and judge A. So they have common taste. That is the meaning. Now there is one more question. If all three answers are positive, then what to do? Any idea? Very simple. Whichever you got highest answer or which is closer to 1, that we have to choose. Hope you understood, right? Yeah, let us go for last problem. It's very important. Compute the rank correlation for the following data. So here they have given, it looks like a marks, right, for different students in two subjects, say X and Y. 68, 64, 75, so on in X, and Y 62, 58, 68, so on. Now, as I mentioned, first you observe in first row X, 75 repeated twice, right? 64 also repeated thrice in X. So altogether there are two set of value repeated twice in X. Go for Y. Observe carefully. The number 68 repeated twice, right? Therefore, in the given data there are three set of values repeated. Therefore, formula is to find the value of rank correlation, rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square plus, there I put dot dot, right? Here there are three set of values repeated. That is why I wrote m into m square minus 1 by 12 3 times. If there are only two values repeated, write only 2 times. If there is only one value repeated, write 1 time. Right? Hope you understood. So that is the formula. Denominator is n into n square minus 1. So you got the formula. Now, finding summation d square is very simple. Take x minus y whole square and all. It's very simple. But how to find m? That we have to discuss. Because there are three formula for m, right? M into m square minus 1 by 12. Answer is not same for all three. That depending on the problem. So for that, we will construct the table first. So first I'll write down the value of x. Now this is very important. Observe carefully. I have written the value of x in the first column. Now, before going for the calculation, rank they have not assigned, right? They have just given the number. So first we have to evaluate and we have to give the rank. You just say x represents the marks of a students. Now how to assign the rank? It's very simple, right? Whichever student who got highest marks, he will be first rank. Then second, third and so on, right? So now observe the values of x, 68, 64, 75, so on till 64. Tell me in the x column what's highest number? Yes, 80, right? For 80, I'll give first rank. Now, I have to give second rank. Other than 80, which is the highest number? Yes, you have to go for 75, right? That is the second highest. But 75 repeated twice. 75, 75, right? There are two types repeated. What to do? One has to get second rank and one has to get third rank, right? So there is no sharing. But values are same. In that case, it's very important. Listen carefully. 75 repeated twice for second and third rank. That's why I will take the average. It has to take second and third rank. So 2 plus 3 by 2. So 2.5. Therefore, wherever we have a number 75, I will write 2.5. Now, here 75 repeated twice, right? Therefore, in the first set, the value of m is 2. Okay? Hope you understood. Now, 75 is done. One has to take second rank and one has to take third rank. But I have taken the average 2.5, 2.5. So, rank 2 and rank 3 is over. Now, go for rank 4. Other than 75, 68 is the greatest number. So, rank 4. Now, what's the rank 5? Other than 68, we have 64. But 64 repeated thrice. So, one has to take 5th rank, one has to take 6th rank, and one has to take 7th rank. But repeated thrice, so take the average. 5, 6, 7 divided by 3. What's the value? 6. So, wherever you have number 64, write down the rank as 6. Now, 5th rank is over, 6th rank is over, 7th rank is over because 64 repeated thrice. Go for 8th rank. Other than 64, 55 is the highest number, rank 8. After that 50 is the number, 9th rank. Last one 40, 10th rank. Right? Here in second case 64 repeated thrice. So m you have to take it as 3. Done, right? Now go for y. What is the highest number? 81, right? First rank. What is the second rank other than 81? 70, second rank. Third rank, which one? Actually 68, but repeated twice. So third and fourth rank we have to take for 68. So take the average of 68. It has to take third and fourth rank. So 3 plus 4 by 2, 3.5. So wherever you have 68, take rank as 3.5. And here it is repeated twice. So m equal to 2. So write down the rank. Then write down 5th rank, 6th rank, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Same depending on the number. So least score is 45. So that is the 10th rank. Hope you understood, right? Go and practice once now. It is very important. This particular column, first column, second column, third and fourth. Then how to find D? It is very simple. X minus Y, right? But be careful. You should not take X as 68 and Y as 62. We have to take corresponding rank. Okay. So first one. Rank of x is 4, rank of y is 5. So 4 minus 5 is 1. Take this square, minus 1 square is 1. Similarly, second one, 6 minus 7 minus 1 square is 1. Similarly, do for other values. Take the summation of d square, 72. So take first formula. So 1 minus 6 into summation d square is 72 plus m in the first case I told 2. Second case m is 3, third case m is 2. Substitute the values. Anyhow n is 10 and final answer is 0.545. So with this we will conclude rank correlation topic. Have a great day. Thank you so much.